Did you know having a fish tank at home can actually improve your well-being? Watching fish swim gently through the water can reduce stress and anxiety. The slow, peaceful movements help calm your mind after a long day. Aquariums can also lower blood pressure and create a relaxing atmosphere in your home. That's why many doctors' offices and waiting rooms have fish tanks. For kids, fish tanks teach responsibility, patience, and care for living things. And for adults, they bring a little piece of the ocean indoors. Just look at these beautiful fish we saw at Sea Life Melbourne. Imagine having this kind of peaceful vibe right in your living room. Sometimes, all we need is a moment of calm and a few fish swimming by.